In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create custom cereal box labels using Canva for Mother's Day. This is a super unique, simple, and creative gift idea that your mom will love. Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya, and in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create custom cereal box labels over on Canva. Not only is this a great gift idea for Mother's Day, but it's also perfect for birthdays, photo shoots, Father's Day, and any other special occasion. With this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a one-of-a-kind gift that is sure to impress. So let's get started. Here are the materials you're going to need for this project. You're going to need a Canva account, either a free account or a pro account. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can create a free account, and you can also try Canva Pro free for 30 days when you use our referral link in the description box down below. You're going to need some A4 copy paper. This is different from our standard 8x5x11 copy paper, which is going to be too small to print your labels on. So you're going to need some A4 paper. I'll be sure to link the A4 sticker paper that I purchased from Amazon in the description box down below, or you can use the legal size copy paper. You're going to need a printer. If you're not able to print your labels yourself, you can send them to your local print shop to have them printed. You're going to need some scissors or a paper trimmer. If you're not using sticker paper, you're going to need some glue or double-sided tape. And you're going to need your cereal box. We're going to be using a 10.8 ounce honey nut cereal box. And the measurements that I share with you in the video are for this particular box of cereal. If you're going to be using a different brand, most of the boxes are very similar in sizes, if not the same size, but you may just want to measure the box that you have and adjust the measurements if needed. So to get started, you want to head on over to canva.com and log into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Remember, you can use our referral link in the description box down below to try Canva Pro free for 30 days. Next, you want to click on Custom Size, make sure it's in inches, and you want your page size to be 8.6 by 11.69 inches. Click Create a New Design. Once your blank page pulls up, you can head on over to Elements, scroll down to Lines and Shapes, and from here we can start creating our template using the measurements on the screen. Alright, so now it's time to get to the fun part and start designing our cereal box labels by adding images, clip arts, text, changing the background color, or filling it with an image. You can search Canva's library to find images and clip art related to your theme. You can also upload your own images. I have already uploaded my files and save them in folders to help me keep them organized. Since I'm going to be creating a Mother's Day theme, I have just pulled up that folder. The majority of the clip art that I'm going to be using is from Muska, and they are available to purchase over on their website. And if you use our referral link, Hanging with the Kiddos, you can save 50% off your entire purchase. If you're eager to get started right away, we do have a pre-designed, ready-to-edit template of the cereal box labels available for purchase on our website. It's the same template layout that I just showed you how to create, except for I have already set up and pre-designed the cereal box labels. This will allow you to quickly edit the text, change the colors, and add images. At this point in the video, I'm going to be using the pre-made version of this template to show you how easy it is to use. I'm going to quickly create a design, I'm going to print, and I'm going to assemble. Stay tuned. So once you're done designing all of your labels, you can head on over and download your files. I recommend downloading them as a PDF print file. This will give you the best quality print from Canva. So before printing, I need to make sure my printer and page settings are set up correctly. So I'm going to select the printer that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using my Epson printer. I want to make sure that I'm printing the actual size. And next I'm going to go down to my page settings, and I want to change the page size. Now, since I'm going to be printing on A4 paper, I need to change this from the letter size to A4. Or if I'm using the legal size, I need to change it to legal size paper. And after that, I can print. Now, your printer settings may be different from mine, but you will need to adjust your page size for the size paper that you're using. Here I'm just showing you how the label's printed on the legal size copy paper. I haven't been able to find a legal size sticker paper to print these on, but if I do, I'll be sure to link it down below for you guys. So I ended up not adding the side labels because I thought the original labels looked it fine for this design. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with friends and family. We would love to see more people get creative with their gift giving this Mother's Day. Remember, you can save time and start designing right away with our ready to edit cereal box label templates that we have available for purchase over on our website, or you can grab it for free by becoming a Patreon member. Becoming a member is a great way to support us while also unlocking exclusive content and freebies. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy creating your own personalized cereal box labels. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. You can find the links to all the materials that I use, our website, and a link to join our Patreon in the description box down below. Thank you again for watching and see you next time. Bye.